Let's start creating assembly models 2D drawing. Go to the file menu, new, select drawing and check this default template and give the drawing name 2D Plummer block. Drawing. Okay, there should not be any space in between the file name. Okay, and use a template of size A3. Okay, now the view has come. Okay, go to the scale, create 1:1 scale and remove the lock view. And place it properly. Okay, now dimension it. This dimension, this. Okay, keep it. Rest all we have to create. Go to that another and dimension. This dimension we need. Okay, this is our overall dimension 208. Okay, scale you keep it. Delete it, we don't need that. You can mention it in the bill of material. Okay, this is the height of the bolt and overall height from this to this, it is 65 mm. This is what our basic layout to start with, and this height is 14 mm and this slope is 4 mm, 5 mm we have given. Okay, then diameter of this 32, we convert to diameter, and okay, and then diameter of the outer circle, this is sleeves. Okay, 60 sleeve, and then diameter of this is 48 mm and diameter of this cap radius. Okay, this you convert to diameter. Okay, done in this view. Okay, now let us go to this view. What is the distance between this hole? Okay, 78 mm, and distance between this hole and this hole 42 mm. Okay, the distance between the two slots. Okay, center point, keep it somewhere like this, and overall dimension of the slot, this is 12 mm and these two will come as 12 mm, and the radius 6 mm. Okay, this square block 26 mm square. Okay, text, you write square SQ. Okay, crystal done. What else you need? Maybe you have to select center of this. Okay, midpoint of this. Let's go to that midpoint. Okay, leave it. Yeah, everything is given. And this dimension is our sleeves dia, overall dia. Give dimension text with the dia. Okay, the dimensioning of this part is done in the assembly condition. Okay, if you want to give dimension here in this view, give overall dimension. Okay, 106 mm, and this is sleeve and everything is given there. Okay, what else you can give this also given in this view, 56 mm, and these two features. Okay, this 86 is diameter. Okay, dimension. Okay, add text, add text. Okay, restore this override. Okay, done. Change the text size to 5 mm. Okay, now let us insert a 3D view. Okay, scale it. Okay, 5 times it's more than sufficient. Okay, okay. V type you give isometric. Apply. Okay, keep it somewhere like this. Okay. Now everything looks fine. Okay. Insert the bill of material table. Bill of material. This column, empty column notes, we don't need. Okay. Now it looks fine. Move it to the corners. Notes. All dimensions in all countries. All dimensions are in mm. Okay, move it to that and change the format size, text size to 5 mm, and select different font. Okay, move it other way around. Okay, now you can add one more note stating that our college name. Nabondian Polytechnic College. Okay, I'll change the font size to somewhat bigger and different font. Okay, now everything looks good. Okay, I'll give the name of the drawing and a code note 2D assembly 2D plumber 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 block assembly drawing. Okay, we change the font size to select different font and place it centrally. That's all for creating a 2D assembly drawing.